How to fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, tap on the privacy and security option you see there and then go ahead and make sure the toggle button for location services is toggled on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for location services, as location sharing will not work if location services are off. Next, in settings again, tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on the Find My option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Share My Location, and this will allow others to see your location. Next, open the Find My application on your device and then tap on the People option. Here, tap on the plus icon you see there on top and then tap on the Start Sharing Location option you see there, and then go ahead and choose the contact with whom you want to share your location and make sure that the location is being shared with the correct person. Now, go back to settings and tap on general and then on date and time, and further toggle on the toggle button for set automatically, as incorrect time settings can break location services. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then tap on reset location and privacy option you see there. And once you have resetted your location and privacy settings, go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a quick restart often fixes location service glitches. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.